Hey everyone, it is Peacock Boy here, and today look it. There's an alligator over there. It's moving. It's going in the water.
In the water.
In the water.
Yep.
So yeah, that was it.
There he is.
Guys, look, now he's swimming. We're fine now. He's swimming. Bro, if I get caught, there could be another big crocodile around. But bro, I'm doing this for you guys. See it in the water? God dang it, I almost got the phone. See it in the corner? It's going back. What's it gonna do? Technically, I'm just gonna call this alligator Chompy, and I'm just going to come over here and see him, I think, every day now. Well, when I can. Swimming back, I think it's swimming in place. Well, that's it for this video. Yeah, this was an unexpected appearance. Well, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks.